Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So I'm here to do my July Birchbox, which looks like this. This month they paired up with Glamour magazine. So let's get right into it. Let me tell you what came in this box. Just watching Doc mix stuff in. So Birchbox is $10 a month. I have the link to sign up on my main YouTube page if you guys want to go sign up. But this is what came in it. I'm not going to read much about it, but I'm happy with my box this month. I got an Oscar de la Renta perfume. And these normally go for $25 to $78 depending on the size. So, there it is. I actually really like the... Sorry about that, guys. Hold on. I actually really like the perfume samples. So that's it. Then I got a bamboo UV protection. It's to protect your hair from the UV rays outside, which is really good during the summertime. This normally costs for a full size $24. Next, I got a Joair Luminizing Moisturizing Tint. That's what it looks like. And this normally is $38 for a full size. So I'm excited to try that. Next, I got this is what I'm most excited about, a full-size Stila lip glaze. This is part of a trio, and the trio, all three of them will be $12, but I'm using this right now. It's pretty, just like sparkly nude color, and it's called Lights. Then I got two of the Lifestyle Extras. I got a Laura Bar Roasted Nut Roll. I don't like nuts a lot, so we'll see if I like that. But a pack of 5 of these is normally $12. That's pretty pricey. Then I got a Birchbox exclusive earbuds, and these were like a gift from Glamour magazine. So that's what I got in this box. I like it. I like the lip gloss. I like the earbuds. Excited about trying out the perfume and the Joair like tint, skin tint. It's a tinted moisturizer. So let me know what you guys think about your Birchbox. You can link your video at the bottom if you have one, if it's different than mine, because I do like seeing them. And don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And I love you guys. Bye.